Hello guys, how are you doing? And in today's video I'll be flying this new jet. I thought it would be fun to start the video on the railroads. I wished that there was a working train in PTFS, but there's only the cars. This jet, it might be the fastest jet to go to Sonic Boom. I tried it and it's very fast. I'll be landing this at the HMS Career, and I'll be taking off from HMS Career, and then I'll be landing at Greater Rockford. So let's start. This plane, maybe it's the fastest plane to take off very quick, because it's very quick and can take off very quick. Flaps on. I think the career is close. Let's do some stunts on the way. There is the Sonic Boom. I think I saw the career. Landing gear, oh, it's over there. Landing gear down. Flaps full. Ready for pushback when I land. Oh, I'm fast. That was really quick. I did not know that. Okay, this is a high landing. Yes, it worked. So I landed. Now I'll be landing at the Greater Rockford Airport. I am wasting a lot of fuel. Oh, I almost died. But this is a quick fighter jet, so I did not die. I think I'm very close to the water. I don't know. Yes, I am. I can see the shadows. Oh, Sonic Boom. Reverse thrust. Landing gear down. Oh, the airport is over here. I'm too high. There is the runway. Oh. Can everybody comment down below, was it smooth or not? Because this might be very smooth, and this might be my best smooth landing with a fighter jet, because I never landed a fighter jet that smooth. But that's a technique. When you're landing, you just zoom out, and you try to lean the jet or a plane up, and maybe the plane or jet will go down at the behind, so it could land perfect. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye bye.